Hello class and welcome to another week of our modules at Madison Virtual School. I hope that you are all doing well. I did want to take some time this week to go through this week's module so that you understood what was expected of you. I do know that our topic is different this week. We're going to be discussing topic versus theme, which is something that we have discussed in class already, but as one of the main standards that we have for English language arts, it is a great idea for us to always be practicing that standard by identifying the central themes and central ideas within a text. So let's go through the module. All right, we are in our classroom right here, and in Google Classroom, it'll be posted under classwork and you'll be able to see things on the stream, but you want to be going to the virtual school module number 2 for the week of April 21st through the 28th. Please remember that our modules are for 1 week now, not 2 weeks, so you have 1 week to complete the work on here. So in your module, the first thing you're going to go to is you're going to go to the slideshow, and I'm going to go ahead and open this up for you. But on the slideshow, you're going to have all of the instructions that you need in order to be able to follow along with what we're going to be doing. So I'd like to just give a reminder that it's going to be easier for you if you click on the present button, because then that's going to take you through and let you see the whole module. So I'm going to go through this with you. I'm going to just kind of make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. Okay, so here's our module. So before we begin, we have decided to use kind of a color coding system to help you out. So on here, anything that is red means you need to read it or watch it. Anything that's blue means you need to do it. And orange things are optional. This slideshow cheat sheet is actually going to kind of take you through and show you what is on each of these slides. And then, here, let me move my screen over a little bit. Move it up here. And so you'll be able to see kind of all the different activities that you're going to be doing. Here are our standards and your success criteria. And then your lessons are on this slide, and you need to watch these 2 videos about topic versus theme and about how to find the theme of a story. This is a definition of the difference between a topic and a theme, so please read these 3 slides. And then you have 4 response activities. So your first one is that you are going to go to Google Classroom, and I'll show you this in a minute, and answer, you're going to watch some clips, and after you watch the clips, you're going to identify the topic or a topic that could come from that clip, and then you're going to come up with a theme for that particular clip. Remember, a theme, well, you'll learn about that, what a theme is. Your second one is we do have a little quiz, a Google form quiz that you're going to check to make sure that you understand topic versus theme. And then you have an assignment, a reading assignment. We've actually linked it this time directly to Common Lit, so it'll be a little bit easier because then you can read and annotate right on this site instead of having to like read it and take notes somewhere else or try to find a document and link that to that. So it's all right here, and you can follow these instructions here, written instructions and video instructions on how to use that resource. So please make sure that you've read those and watched that. So you're going to submit those activities on Common Lit, and then your last response is going to be another narrative essay. You have 2 choices, option number 1 or option number 2. You can write either of those, and then your last response is your module reflection. That just gives us more feedback on how this module is effective for you, or if there's something that you still aren't understanding. So going back to our classroom, that is where that is, and then all of your assignments have been linked right here as their own separate assignment. So this is the worksheet you need to complete. This is the topic versus theme quiz you need to complete. This is the Common Lit reading assignment you need to complete. And then this is the narrative writing you need to complete. The final step, of course, is the reflection that helps to give us instructions or feedback from you about these modules. So that is what I have for you today. Please email me if you have any questions. I am also going to try to set up a little bit later this week maybe a Google Meets for anybody who wants to log on and get kind of, assistance from me in person or at least over video chat, just to make sure that you don't have any questions or you can ask me any other questions that come up. So email me if you have questions. Otherwise, hope you're doing really well, and see you soon. Bye.